Hello, it's April from April's Home, and today I thought I would share with you a few of my Halloween decorations. This year is very similar to last year. I really enjoyed the way that my decorations looked last year, so I kept the mantle largely the same. So I'll give you a close-up look at that, as well as some other areas in my living room. We have my cute little figures here that I got years ago. Little Halloween children I got from Hobby Lobby years ago. This cute little ghost, as well as the Scarecrow and Witch at Target many years ago. This is my favorite little Beswick fox, and I keep him out year-round by the lantern. Then I've got another Halloween girl there, and in the evening I do turn on the little teeny tiny Halloween twinkle lights. This year under the TV I've kept it simple. I have to keep the decorations that are lower in this house very simple because I have two young grandchildren who can now reach up to these areas but are a little bit too young to not try to put things in their mouth or grab things down. So I put this decoupage pumpkin that I did last year with all sorts of vintage decoupage on it. I'll go ahead and link that video from last year if you'd like to see how I made this. Just with some simple autumn floral picks there. It's just something really simple that is safe to have out by the grandchildren. Then this area is new this year. I had a different bookshelf here last year. I moved this into the living room when I switched out my dining room decor, or moved that around a little bit. So I've decorated the top of that with some of these Halloween items, my Halloween tree, and some floral picks, as well as some cute little figures and some blackbirds there. And then down on this shelf, I've just added a few little odds and ends that I love to put out in the fall. This cute little dog with his Halloween basket, this vintage glass little horse and cart little candy dish there, and my little cherished teddy pumpkin, which I've had for many years. And in the back are my Royal Doulton Beatrix Potter foxes. I've also got out this vintage glass candy dish that I love to get out every single fall, and a little tiny pumpkin that I needle felted a few years back. So that is this bookshelf here. This is where I keep my Chiltern classics and my cloth-bound penguin classics. So just some pretty books there with some fun Halloween decor. So that is the little hutch bookcase here in the living room. Again, the side tables have been kept very simple. I have the books that I'm currently reading out and this pretty little lantern that is a light-up glittery lantern. I found that at Hobby Lobby last year. I did have out some floral picks and things, but this one was a little bit lower, and the littlest grandchildren couldn't resist those, and they're a little bit dangerous. Floral picks have some sharp metal bits, so I decided to keep it very simple. They do love watching this glittery autumn lantern though, so that's pretty fun, but again, we kept the side tables extremely simple. I also kept this side table simple as well, with some of their autumn board books and a cute little dancing pumpkin that the grandchildren can feel free to play with. This here is the bookcase in the living room, and it is all decorated for Halloween. I linked my Halloween book collection and bookshelf vlog on this channel. I posted a full tour of this bookcase on my Snapdragon Hollow channel, and I will also go ahead and link that below. This is just a selection of my Halloween books, both adult and children's Halloween books to read, and some fun Halloween decorations. Then we have this little shelf here, and again, I've kept it simple with some little wooden houses and some needle felted items and a cloth little ghost there, all things that are pretty safe for the grandkids. So that is this little table here. And before I share with you the decor in the foyer, I thought I would go ahead and share with you how my boo baskets turned out this year. As I mentioned in my October homemaking goals, I was able to make Halloween boo baskets for the family. So I'll go ahead and share those with you right now. Today is October 1st, and I made some fun boo baskets to pass out to my family. So let's see, they've got pumpkin spice hot cocoa mix in them, and a Jell-O no-bake pumpkin style pie little mix. I thought that that would be really fun. It says you just add milk, butter, and sugar. And let's see, a couple little Pez, little Halloween Pez. They came in a bunch of different designs. Some marshmallows for the pumpkin spice hot cocoa. I picked out the candy corn ones. Thought those were cute. And we've got some Peeps, of course, a little tiny pumpkin, and then a couple of snacks for a nice cozy October movie night. These are Harvest Blend Pringles. They're new, so I'll be really interested to try these out. This is in Farmhouse Cheddar, and then some Sun Chips also in Harvest Cheddar. I just like the orange jars, and I thought it really matched nicely. I also put them in this really cute little bowl here that then later on can be used to pass out trick-or-treats. And then also I've added in some candy corn tissue paper that I found as well. So really, really fun, quick and easy project. I think that this will be a lot of fun. So that's how I'm kicking off October 1st. I've got the house decorated. I'll share that with you. We're going to have a nice family dinner, a nice harvesty themed family dinner, and having some fun with our boo baskets. So those were the boo baskets that I passed out to my adult children and their families. It was really, really fun to make those. This is the foyer here. And again, this is largely the same as last year. There are a few little changes here and there, but they are mostly really similar. We've got my vintage style black cats, as well as this cute little black cat storybook, and some fall floral picks. My fun little glasses wearing scarecrow pumpkin man there, and my cute little Halloween figurines just tucked around my plants here in the foyer, and my little scarecrows there. And then some more vintage little figures here, a cat and a pumpkin person with the fall foliage as well. So that is what the foyer looks like. Just some nice, simple, minimal Halloween decorations tucked in around all of my plants and books. Also in my dining room here, I have replaced my regular horse with the Headless Horseman on the top of my bookcases here. So we have the Headless Horseman out in the dining room. I also thought that I would mention one of the candles that I picked out to burn this fall. This is from Mythology, and it is from their Nightfall collection. This is a wood wick, and it's the first time I'm burning it. It smells really, really nice. The scent is Old Village Market. Very spicy and nice candle for the autumn. Again, this is from the Dark Medieval Nightfall Mythology candle collection, and I'm really excited to check out these candles. I ordered some smaller candles as well to test out in this collection, and so I'm excited to check out more of these Mythology candles. They're really beautiful, and I thought that they would look really nice in my Halloween decor. So that is my Halloween home tour, just a small little look at how I've decorated things for Halloween this year, and I hope you enjoyed taking a look at everything. I'll go ahead and leave you with one last look at some of my Halloween decorations. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.